Alright guys, we got a bike check right now. We just got new frame, cranks, bottom bracket, sprocket, a couple of other things, seat posts, stuff like that. Alright, we'll start from the top. Shadow Conspiracy grips. Shadow Conspiracy bar ends with Colt Vans grips. Demolition Suburban V2 bars. A Sunday Freeze top load stem. Odyssey R32 forks, a Primo N4FL front hub, laced with Primo spokes to a G-sport roll cage. The front left-hand side peg is a stolen silencer with a thermalite sleeve. Right-hand side is just a stolen thermalite sleeve. Frame is a 20.75 Sunday broadcaster in chrome, of course. The seat is a Shadow Penumbra. A Mission seat post, Sunday seat post clamp. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Demolition Revolt cranks 175 chrome. A Federal 28-2 sprocket in blue. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but that's the color and everything. The Demolition bottom bracket in polished. Colt chain. Odyssey M peg with the Shadow sleeve. Same on the other side, Odyssey M peg with the Shadow sleeve. I just used a vice grip to slide it through because I didn't have money and stuff to buy the other stuff. Madera hub, Primo spokes laced to a G-sport roll cage, and then my back tire is a Colt dehart tire, gray wall. You can kind of see the gray wall. And my front tire is a Chad Curley 2.4. The back to 2.25, and I'll give you a hub sound real quick. Hold on, sorry. Alright, so that's my bike. I went to Woodward and I have an edit out on Facebook. If you go to Joe Talento on Facebook, you'll find it. I'm working on an edit for YouTube. Not sure when that'll be out. Hopefully by the end of the summer. But I'll update all my feed on Facebook if you want to go and friend request me. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.